What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, New Year's Day. Nothing better to do than to take a ride on New Year's Day, start the new year off right. I'm with my homies Roach and his cousin. We're gonna head out to Elysian Park. He's got his brother's bike today. Roach! There's three of us today. Mike's on a brand new, what are you riding today?
Lowrider S.
Riding a Lowrider S. He got that new Harley money. All right, so we're gonna head out to Elysian Park. I've seen it many years. I've always wanted to go check it out. So my homie invited me today. We're gonna roll down. We're gonna bring you along for the ride. All right, let's go. All right, so the homie invited me down to Elysian Park. That's where we're at, right? New Year's Day. It's like it's very Viclas based. It's a lot of what is out here. There's lowriders. It's right here in Elysian Park, which is right outside of Dodger Stadium is right there. What is it, gum? Yeah, I'll take a piece. Telling me I got stanky ass breath? Yeah, so basically Dodger Stadium is right up that way there. So I was telling Roach, we used to come here before Dodger games. Let's go check this out. So you can see it's very Viclas based. There's a lot of the style of bike, which I love. I used to have one of these style. This is what I grew up around. All right, so basically, looks like they've showed us a party. It's a get-together. So it goes all the way down. Looks like they got some dancing going on over there. Got a couple of vendors throughout. What's that? Yeah. That's dope, man. I didn't know. They got dancing and everything. The whole event then, man. That's cool, boy.
Happy New Year.
You out here on something?
Yeah, my bike.
Oh, okay.
I grabbed another bike the other day.
Man, you
I flipped that. Oh, yeah. I mean, dude, that's really what pays my bills. You know what I mean?
Oh, all right then. So it's turned into a little something for you then.
Now it's turned into something.
All right.
Before, like,
we live in Cali. We need 2-3 hustles, dog. We need more than one grind, man.
Yeah, man.
Good shit. Well, what'd you pick up then?
I picked up a 2004 Super Glide, same bike that I had.
Okay.
Black one that I painted.
All right.
6 weeks.
It's fun, man, because if you can make a little money off of it and you can turn a wrench a little bit at the same time and just move on, it's a fun hobby to have. It's a fun little thing to make some money off of.
A hobby turned into like a side hustle that now is paying my bills.
Good,
you know
dog.
What I mean? So that's
good.
Cool.
That's just a hustler's mentality, dog.
Man.
See you, dog. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Ride safe, man. Oh, look at this guy got stuck in here. Look at, oh, this guy's so, that's the whitest guy that got stuck in here. He ain't going no. Man, what size is that thing? This yours, man? What size is that?
It's a 30.
30? That's a big boy, man. How's it ride? I had a 26. I had a Road King with a 26. That's as big as I went. And then, all right, man, ride safe out there. Happy New Year, brother.
Happy New Year's, man. How are you?
How are you, man?
Good. How about yourself?
Good to see you, man.
Good seeing you.
I've been here.
Really?
Yeah, I've never.
Yeah,
my buddy hit me up. He's like, "You want to ride here or there?" I'm like, "You know what? I've never been. Let's go check it out this time, man."
So surprised the cops didn't break it up. You did break it up.
Really?
Yeah.
By this time?
By this time, yeah.
Well, then I'm glad I got to experience it a little bit, man. I'm opening up one at Ventura Harley.
Really?
Yeah.
I saw you with your soundproof.
Yeah, we're doing a little. We're trying to get it kind of set up, but I'm gonna have you back down. You gonna come back down?
Dude, please, yes.
All right, man.
Yes,
all right.
Yes.
Go enjoy the day, man.
I love you,
Good
man.
to see you, man. Good
to
luck
see
on
you
your
too.
challenge, dog.
Hey, Monday.
Monday. Adam's cool.
I know a good spot for it.
You know a spot?
I know.
What's the name of it?
It's in the alley on the way home.
Oh, we're gonna go back that way. Okay. Just Bobby, damn, man. Running to everybody out here, man.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
We just barely got engaged too, bro.
Congratulations, man.
Cheers, man.
Well, I was going to shake his hand. I was gonna come and give you a hug. Congratulations. Just riding, man. I did last night with the family at the house. A little small, just me and the wife and the kids. All right, man. Well, good to see you. I'm gonna go catch up my boy, man. Bike night soon. Bike night soon.
All my buddies are right there.
He said that he was surprised that the cops haven't
Came and shut him
busted
down.
it down because, you know.
Make sure I got what I need to make them do.
Yeah, because I don't think it's an event that's like sponsored by or put on by or anything like that, you know? So it makes sense why the cops would probably then say, hey, you got to come and take off. Well, I'll tell you what, do you want to go get a beer and then just go up to the spot, kick it there, and then we'll head back? Okay, that's the plan. All right. So we're out of here. We walk through once and we walk out any damn way. So But it's a cool spot. It's basically not a fully like event sanctioned, like sponsored by thing. You definitely get the, it's just like, hey, this is what's going on. Show up, pull through, cruise. Hey, what's up, man? It's you? It's clean too, dog. Oh, it's her. It's clean, man. It's clean, dog. Hang out. There's horses out here. The shows end up rolling out through here. People just park their bikes, and then people just put their tents. So Adam was saying it could get, you know, surprised it wasn't and hadn't got shut down basically yet. So I can see why it could. Yeah, basically, we're just quick walk through, check out the bikes. There's a little bit of everything in here. Foreman stuff in here, a lot of Viclas stuff, but it's a cool thing to be able to ride through. There's plenty of places to eat around here. Basically what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go grab a beer and we're gonna go hit one of these hills that's up on top of Dodger Stadium. We're gonna go kick it up there, grab a beer, and then we'll go beer time? Beer time.
Dude, everybody has a pen.
We're going to stop at Juan's Market. We're going to go kick it and we needed another beer. Shit, we needed a beer. Hey, we went there completely unprepared.
Who, us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No beer in the bags.
We're gonna get ourselves a little tall boy here, and then we're gonna just shoot back up the hill, sip on it with a view.
Sexy spot up here, boy. Dodger Stadium, downtown. What's over here again, man?
Lincoln Park, Hazard Park, El Serrano,
Big hazard on me.
Lake Hazard. Yeah, this is a 360 view up here, man. There's all kinds of shit up here. You could see the world from up.
Yeah. Happy New Year, bro.
it's a
Can I pet that dog?
Cool dog. Yeah, this is the spot. So anytime we come here now we know where we're gonna come have a beer.
Yeah, fuck.
Mandatory, right?
Yeah.
Mandatory. Cheers, gentlemen. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
And to think I was gonna ride by myself today.
Oh yeah.
I called this fool like at 5 in the morning.
6:30.
6:30? No, it was not 6:30.
Because I was already getting up. Hey, so how long have you been riding?
Like a month. His first long ride was a Rosarito run with me.
I already have 4,000 miles on the bike.
Okay, so you're getting some time underneath. Yeah, he rides better than you.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Get that fucking thing out of my face.
Get that thing out of my face. Say it, bro.
Get that thing out of my face.
I love you.
Love you too, though.
We put a number down on this thing, man. Good call, Roach. Even though it was the wrong one,
I'm glad we got lost.
we put it down. Beers were good. Salsa was good.
What's the name of this place?
La
Sirenita?
La what?
La Sirenita.